Another sequence type is a list. List is an ordered sequence of items. It has a index 0, 1, 2, like that's why it's an ordered sequence. So one of the most used data type in Python and very flexible to use is a list. All the items in the list do not need to be a same type. It may be different types. Here you can see integer, float and string. Okay, different type we can put in the list. Items are separated by a square bracket, separated by commas, enclosed within a square bracket and separated by commas. Lists are mutable. Mutable in the sense we can change the items. Okay, here lists are mutable, meaning the value of elements of your list can be altered anytime. Okay, that is called mutable. And you can slice the elements in the list. Like you can slice the second index, you can get the second index, or you can use a range from 0 to third index. You can list out all the things, and from fifth index to till the end you can list out. So everything is printed like this. The values can be altered, that is called mutable. So here we have 0, 1, 2, right, sorry, 2. The second index, 0th index, first index, second index, it will be altered here, 14. Okay, so the 33 will be changed to 14. So it is called a mutable. Next next sequence is tuple. So tuple is an ordered sequence, like a list. Okay, same as a list. Here only one difference. Ordered item is here defined with a parenthesis. Okay, and items are separated by commas. So only one difference is here tuple is immutable. Immutable means it's also index based, but you can't change the value of the items. That is immutable. See, you can see in the example here. Here we have 3 different items. Okay, so you can slice all the item because ordered item. A t of 1 first index, like this you can same whatever we have done in a list we can do, but here we are trying to change 0th index. Okay, but it shows error because immutable, that's why we can't change the values. So clearly the error explained clearly. The tuple object does not support item assignment. So in Python you can easily understand what error you are getting. From that error you can easily fix that error. Set. Next sequence item is set. We have seen a list, tuple. Both are ordered items. Okay, ordered sequence of items. And one is list is mutable. You can change the item for any index. But tuple is immutable. You can't change the value of items. Here set. Set is an unordered items. Earlier what we have seen is ordered item. Here unordered. It doesn't have any index values. So, okay. Collection of unique items. So you can combine all the different data types here. Unique items. Set is defined by value separated by commas inside the braces. Here you can see the example, right? This is called set. Not ordered. So it doesn't have any index. Okay, if you check a type of here, it says a set. And another thing is set doesn't allow duplicates. So in this example we have assigned some values, right? Duplicate values. So what it returns unique values. It doesn't allow duplicate values. List set doesn't allow duplicate value. Here if you want to read, here I am trying to get a first index value. Okay, we will see what happens. It shows error because it is not unordered collection. Okay, so set object does not support indexing, so it doesn't have any index value. Next we are going to see dictionary. Dictionary is also unordered collection like a set, but it has a key and value pairs. Normally in Python, when we are using when we are having a huge amount of data, so we are using dictionary because the dictionary is optimized for retrieving data, because the dictionary is a key value pair, right? Key and value pair. So internally it uses a hashing algorithm. When we are retrieving the value, it performance will be faster if you use a dictionary. Okay, so dictionary are defined with braces, and inside braces it has some key and value pair with the comma separated values, key and value pair. Okay, like this it is getting defined. So if you want to read, if you want get any values, so you have to use key to retrieve that value. Okay, in this example if you see key value pair, key is value pair, we are trying to print the values, and the last one we are trying to retrieve the value based on retrieve the value based on the value key value. Okay, here d of 2 is a value. Here we have tried to get the value of d of 2, but it shows error because in dictionary if you want to retrieve value, we have to use key, not value. So another thing is, if you want to because we are using so many data types, some data types we while programming we have to convert from one data type to another data type. Then only we can do some validation or business logic, right? So here we can use a data type conversion, when we can convert between different data types by using a function. If you use a float function, the whatever you are giving input, it is getting converted into float values, like a 7.0 is a float value. If you want to convert into integer, you can use int function. Int, you have to pass the parameter inside the int function, and here we are using the string. Okay, string is a 6 string, so it is getting converted into float. Okay, here a string 25 is an integer, we are passing into the string function, it is getting converted into string. Okay, so here we have 1 and 1 characters, so we are trying to convert into integer. You see here what we have seen, 6.5 is a string, we can convert into float, but the same thing, it has some character, so we will see what it shows. It shows some error because it has some characters, so we can't convert that. That's why it shows error. So basic data types we can convert like this. The same way we can convert the sequence from one sequence to another sequence, the collection of data, right? So here set, inside set we are passing list. List means it has a square bracket with the comma separated values. We are passing to set function, so it return set. Okay, so here this one is set, right? So we are converting the set collection into tuple collection. So here string, say string is a sequence of characters, is one kind of collection. So if we pass into the list function, it is getting converted into list. So here if you see the in this is a very interesting one. Here what we are doing is, here we are passing, here note down here, list of list 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, list of list. Okay, so if you are passing into the dictionary conversion, so it is getting converted into dictionary. If you here in this example we are passing list, outer as a list, inside the list we are using tuple, right? 3, 26, list of tuple. 444. So we will see how it is getting converted. List of list or a list of tuple. If we pass into the dictionary function, so it is converted into key value pair. Alright. Okay, we can use this kind of a conversion when doing any business logic based on your need. You can use the this conversion types.